Here are the 6 signs na baka may blood sugar issue ka na. First, biglang weight gain kahit konti ka na lang kumain. Second, dark areas sa skin katulad ng batok, daliri, siko, singit, at kilikili. At yung napapansin mo na may skin tags ka na. Third, laging gutom at nagkikrave ng sweets, parang walang satisfaction kahit kakakain lang. Fourth, palaging pagod, lalo na pagkatapos mong kumain. Gusto mo na lang palaging humiga. Fifth, hirap mag-focus, palagi kang lutang kahit naman sapat yung tulog mo. At sixth, hormone problem. For girls, hormonal imbalance or irregular cycle. For men's, low testosterone at low energy. But what if I told you kayang-kaya nating i-avoid ang mga ito? By just taking this tea and fiber plus 1 routine. Hindi diet, hindi injection. Consistent sila. And if you want to know more about these 2 products at 1 routine, just comment blood sugar at tutulungan kitang pumayat